So as you know, BMW has released the 2024 M3CS. This is truly a spectacular car, and I'm going to walk you guys through the retailed ordering guide for the Canadian marketplace. So if you're interested in purchasing this vehicle, you want to know exactly what the price is. If you're able to secure an allocation, you want to know exactly what your options are. The M3CS is a very limited car, so there's not too many options that you can change from it. In fact, I can't even guarantee getting you an allocation on this car. I do recommend as soon as you watch this video, reach out to me at my email down below or your local dealership, put in a deposit. Allocations are all going to depend on how many we get from the factory versus how old people have placed a deposit. Some people have been placing deposits on this for quite a year, but the main thing that I want to do in this video is just show you guys what that retailed ordering guide looks like and the exact pricing. So let's get into it. So here's the first page of the product bulletin. Main thing to note here is going to be for effective of March 1st, 2023. The start of production is March 1st of 2023. Model description, very limited, M3CS. Now we start to get into the good stuff. So base MSRP for this car is going to be at $148,000. This is Canadian. Now you're going to have two no charge paint options. You're going to have black sapphire metallic and Brooklyn gray metallic. There's only one interior option to choose from. It's the black Alcantara full merino leather with red stitching and accents. There's no other interior choice for this. There's 4 different wheel options that you're going to get. All of them are going to be no charge. Basically, you have the black 827 wheels and the gold bronze 827 wheels, either with high performance tires or track tires. Now on the second part of this bulletin, you're also going to have the option for M carbon ceramic brakes with the gold calipers. It's going to be a $10,900 option. You could also go from the black brakes for $750 normal brakes just with black calipers. Now it does say the M carbon ceramic brakes can be also got in a red caliper, same price at $10,900. The M leather steering wheel is a no charge option because I think we're going to see down below that it's going to come standard with the Alcantara steering wheel. So if you want to just get the normal leather steering wheel, it's a no charge option that you can go to. Then there's 2 additional paint options that you can get, either frozen white solid, which is a new paint introduced for the M3CS, or the signal green. Now the frozen paint is going to be a $5,000 option and signal green individual color is going to be a $4,000 option. Now the rest of the ordering guide is just going to go through the standard feature of the vehicle. So it's going to come standard with the 827 bronze wheels with the track tires, and everything else is optional from there. Remote engine start is a standard feature, and then basically everything else that you'd expect to have in an M3, including those carbon fiber bucket seats, are going to be a standard feature. Feel free to pause this to review if you want to go through all the rest of the standard features. The next page is continuing on with the standard features like the laser light headlights with the yellow accents, the high beam assistant, driving assistant, connected drive package, auto 2-zone climate control, blind spot monitoring, Napa leather dashboard, the curved display screen. All of that's going to be standard features. Continuing on, we have even more standard features, and then the bottom part of the bulletin is just going to give us images of what those wheel options look like. Here's a close-up look of the 827 gold bronze wheels. Now at the front, they're going to be 275 3519s, and the rear is going to be 285 3020s. And the last page is showing the black wheel options of the 827 wheels. And that's everything that we have for the ordering guide. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you're interested in purchasing this vehicle, it really just depends on how many allocations that we get. BMW hasn't said an exact number that Canada is going to be getting. They've only said it's a limited number that's going to be running for about 1 year of production. So not 100% sure how many allocations our dealership would get. So if you're interested, send me an email down below and I'd be happy to help you out. If you know anybody else who's in the Toronto marketplace interested in a BMW, feel free to send them this video or my contact information. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the like button, consider subscribing for future BMW content, and I'll see you on the next video.